Final cleanup for paint, guys. Just gonna clean up some of the welds that I put on there and just give her a good spray job. Color we chose for this one is we're just going to go with some black. So we're just scuffing up our wheels so that we can spray them. We have some green rattle cans, and so that's what we're going to spray the wheels with after we scuff them up. Right now, let me grab the camera and I'll show you what they look like. They kind of got some paint and stuff on them. That one's pretty clean. That one's got some paint residue from painting the frame. That one's rusty, crusty, nasty. We're going to scuff them up a little bit. We're not looking for perfection, but we want them to look pretty nice. We got a pretty nice black frame right here, so I'm going to try to make it look better. Alright, so we scuffed them up a little bit. We got all the big rough paint chips and rust and everything off of them. Should be good enough to hold paint now. I did both sides too. The other side scuffed up too. Cleaned up a little bit. We'll going to tape them off and wipe them down with some paint thinner, and then we'll spray them. Thanks for tuning in today. As you can see, we got the frame painted. We're working on getting the wheels painted. We are waiting on a brake caliper and some axle nuts. The next episode though, we're going to be rebuilding our seat for this go-kart and maybe do some reassembly. Check the description below for some go-kart parts, axle kit and chain, and remember, if you like what you're seeing, to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.